Namaste. Welcome to my channel Hindi with Suchi. In today's class, let us learn the A ki matra. Now before we do that, let us practice all the consonants with A matra.
Let us say all the consonants with A matra. K, K, G, Ghe, Che, Che, J, Jhe, Te, The, De, Dhe, Ne, Te, The, De, Dhe, Ne, Pe, Phe, Be, Bhe, Me, Ye, Re, Le, Ve, She, She, Se, He.
Now that we have done that, let us have some words to get the hang of A ki matra in words. Now the first one I have K with A matra and L with A ki matra. So you pronounce this as Kela. Kela. Kela is banana. The fruit banana is called Kela. Let us have one more fruit with A ki matra. S with A ki matra and B. Seb. Seb. Seb is apple. Seb. We are going to have some random words, but the most common words. Okay? So, let us have the letter Sh, which has two loops. Sh with A matra and R. Sher. Sher. Now, sher, if you have seen the Jungle Book, it is the lion or tiger. Well, we have two different words for lion and tiger, but in stories, sher can be used for either a lion or a tiger in children's storybooks. Well, this is an English word that we use a lot on birthdays. So, when you are celebrating a birthday and you have a cake, we just write the cake in Hindi, K with A matra and K. So, cake is a cake. Now, if you have observed, I have used the matra in two forms. One is with the loop and one is without the loop. So, you have two options. Either to apply the matra with the... You can apply the matra either with the loop or without the loop, just a slant line over the top line. Now, I have the dental T soft. Ta with A ki matra, te and la. Tail. Tail. Tail is any oil. Any kind of oil, just oil is called tail. Now let us have na with A ki matra and ta with A ki matra, and this word gives me neta. Neta. Neta is a politician. Now let us have mera. Mera is my or mine. Mera is mine or mine. Mera naam, my name. Now let's have tare. Tare. Dental T soft, A ki matra, ta, R with A ki matra, re. Tare means stars. And this is the aspirated K. K. So, K. Khelna. Khelna. Khelna is to play. To play games, to play sports, we say khelna. Now, let's have the last one. Ma with A ki matra and I have again the J with the dot. So, you pronounce it as Z. So, maze. Maze. And maze means a table. Maze is a table.
Let us have some words with A ki matra. Ped. Ped. It means a tree. Hamesha. Hamesha. It means always. Mela. Mela, an exhibition or a fair. Tera, tera, your. Hatheli, hatheli, that's a palm. Akela, akela, it means alone. Saheli, saheli, it means a woman's friend who is a woman. Bear, bear, it's an Indian fruit. The, the, it's an auxiliary verb which means was. Jab, jab, it means pocket. Rail gadi means a train. Ved, Ved, the Vedas are called Ved.
We had ek ki matra in our last class. Now let us proceed with our matras and have the next vowel, which is I. I ki matra is two slant lines over the top line. So they are applied like this or without the loop like this. Both are okay. South Indians prefer writing without the loops. North Indians write the same matra with the loop. It's just a style of writing, but both are okay. But there is one important thing here. Both the lines should connect the stem line of the consonant. The stem line of the consonant. So what do you do? For sh, if you have something like the g or the sh, then both the slant lines touch the stem line there. Now that's one important thing you remember. Okay? So this is she and this is gaye. Gaye in that sense. Now let us practice all the consonants with the I matra. Now how do you pronounce it? South Indians sometimes give it a very strong I sound. I. But in Hindi, usually it doesn't give me the strong I sound. It kind of slightly gives me the I sound. I. So let us practice the I matra with all the vowels.
Let us practice all the consonants with I ki matra. Khe, khe, gaye, ghaye, chaye, chaye, jaye, jhaye, taye, thaye, daye, dhaye, naye, taye, thaye, daye, dhaye, naye, paye, thaye, baye, bhaye, मैं ये रे ले वे शे शे से है.
Now that we have done that, I hope you got a hang of a matra. So let us have some words and see how it works in words. So now I have the k with a, l with a and sh. So this gives me Kailash. Kailash. Kailash is the name of a mountain. It's a mountain and it's very famous mountain. It is in China. Kailash. We call it Kailash. The Chinese may call it something else. Now let us have pa with I matra, sa with a matra. So you pronounce it as paisa. Paisa. Paisa is money. Well, technically 100 paise make 1 rupee. But nowadays we are not using paise, we just have rupees. So paisa and paise are now just used as the word money. Paisa is money. Now let us have the dental T aspirated, which is th. Th with a matra, theli. 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 Theli is a bag. Any cotton bag is called theli. A bag is theli. This is n with a matra and then n with a matra. So naina, naina, naina is Hindi has lots of synonyms. So this is one of the synonyms for the eyes. So naina means eyes, but it's a common name for girls as well. You'll find several girls named Naina. just beautiful eyes. Now let us have the sh with a matra, ta with a matra and na. So you pronounce it as shaitan, shaitan. Well, shaitan is actually a demon, but in day-to-day conversations, the naughtiest boys or naughtiest children, even girls, they are just, called shaitan. Shaitan bache, very naughty children. So, shaitan. Now let us have 5 more words where we use the eki matra. I have the pa with a matra and ra, which is pair, pair, and pair means legs. Your legs are called pair, mere pair, my legs. Maidan, maidan, maidan is a ground. Any kind of open ground, could be a playground or just an open ground, we call it maidan, maidan. And then we have sa with a matra, na with short e matra and ka. So, sainik, sainik, sainik is a soldier. Soldier. And then I have da with a matra, na with e matra and ka. Dainik, dainik. Dainik is something which you do every day. So something that happens every day, like daily. This word means daily. Like a daily paper, your daily routine. Daily, you want to say that? Din is day. With din we have dainik, which is something that happens daily. And now I have a 5-letter word. This is actually a word, a place in India. So a place where I stay. If you can read this, you get a star. So let me give you the star beforehand. Please try to read the word yourself. And if you have done it right, then you deserve the star. Hyderabad. Hyderabad. This is Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Now yes, we use, when you say Hyderabad, we are using the dental D, the, and it is ba, and again dental D, the, Hyderabad.
Let us have some more words using the eki matra. Kaisa, kaisa, it means how. Tairna, tairna, it means to swim. Kaidi, kaidi, that's a prisoner. Sair, sair, a trip. Bail, bail, ox. Heran, heran, astonished. Baitak, baitak, it means a living room. Paidal, paidal, it's by walk or on foot. Bechain, bechain, restless or nervous. Hai, hai, that's an auxiliary verb which means is.
If you like my channel, then please subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, you are welcome. Thank you.